If you have been looking to move to the Dallas-Fort Worth area, there is a 99% chance that someone has told you about Frisco. And they're right. But the Frisco you see today is not the Frisco you're going to see 3 to 5 years from now. Frisco is undergoing the largest growth spurt it has ever seen in its history. We are talking billions of dollars in private investments, a brand new theme park, and a huge 1,000-acre development park that will change the landscape of the city forever. And if we've not met before, hello, my name is Brielle Oakley. I'm a realtor here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, and I live just next to Frisco. My ultimate goal here is to make the process of moving to Dallas or moving within Dallas as simple as possible, and I want to give you an update on where the market is heading. So today we are breaking down the largest mega projects that are coming to Frisco by 2028. So let's get into it. First up, we have to talk about North Frisco, and the crown jewel of all of these developments is the Field. So this is a $12 billion project, and you've got a $2 billion project that is Fields West. And you can think of Fields West as almost like a second Legacy West. If you're familiar, Legacy West is this outdoor entertainment shopping experience in Plano. And so the same people who developed that are now developing Fields West. So the Fields is the neighborhood section of this master plan community, and Fields West is like the shopping portion, the shopping entertainment portion of the Fields development. And really, this is going to be the new heart of North Frisco, and I would say North Dallas in general. We are talking 360,000 square feet of shopping, dining, and entertainment. They have already announced major retailers like Bloomingdale's, Aloe Yoga, Our House, and an incredible dining like Mastro's Steakhouse. And the whole idea behind this Fields project is to be a 15-minute city, meaning you can span from one end to the other in about 15 minutes. They're also calling this kind of like a golf cart community, so you can take your golf cart from your neighborhood in the Fields and drive it over to the Fields West development. So for homebuyers, this is huge. The residential communities within the Fields like East Village and Brookside are offering stunning new builds. I mean, beautiful new construction homes. The price point is elevated because it's giving you exclusive access to Fields West because you're in the same neighborhood. So average prices are ranging from about 1.5 million and up. You have a beautiful custom home section of this neighborhood. So really a lot of options here. You also have townhomes if you are interested in that. Now, if you have young kids, you've probably already put this one on your radar, but there is a smaller Universal Studios coming to the Frisco area. Now, this is not the massive theme park that you might see in California or Florida. This is a smaller scale because truly it is meant for smaller aged children, but it is a huge project nonetheless, right along Dallas North Tollway and Panther Creek Parkway. This is huge, so let me tell you a little bit about it. So it's targeted to open in 2026. This is a first of its kind theme park designed specifically for families with younger children. It is going to feature immersive lands, character meet and greets, and a 300-room themed hotel. And when you're driving down or driving up Dallas North Tollway, it's really hard to miss. I mean, you see it on the right, it's got these colorful different shapes and different figures, and you can see it from a mile away when you're going up Dallas North Tollway. It's hard to miss, and your kids have probably seen it if you've driven up Dallas North Tollway with them. So obviously this is a huge driver for the local economy. You've got a lot of jobs pouring into this huge project, and then this is attracting a lot of people not only who are residents of the Dallas area, but they're coming from Houston, they're coming from Austin, they're coming down from Oklahoma. So this is a huge driver for the Frisco community as a whole, even though it is just for younger children. So right at the intersection of Dallas North Tollway and US 380, there is a new 217-acre multi-project called Firefly Park. So picture this. You've got 45 acres of green space, trails, a boutique hotel with a resort-style pool, restaurants, retail, and an 18-story residential tower all in one place. This is not a strip mall situation, folks. This is a vertical landscape in Frisco, Texas. They already have tenants signed. They have a Tyler's, a French-American restaurant called Frenchie's, and they also have the very popular Woodhouse Spa already signed and ready to go in. And the hotel alone is called Hotel Vox. I'm not really sure how to say it, but they describe it as a Parisian neighborhood vibe with a resort style pool. And in Frisco, I mean, come on, there is nothing like that we have here. Now, the first big openings are expected in fall of 2027, so we are a little bit of a ways away, but the fact that these tenants have already signed and they are coming, this is super exciting and another reason why you should definitely keep your eyes on Frisco, Texas. Now, on the topic of green space, this brings me to my next really big development that actually just broke ground maybe a few weeks ago. This is called Grand Park. Now, this is huge because here in the DFW area, unlike Austin, you know, Austin's got some natural landscapes, they got a little river running through the city, it's kind of nice. But here in DFW, we don't necessarily have all of that. So Grand Park is a huge 1,000 acre, huge park that's almost gonna be like the size of Central Park, and it's gonna be in Frisco, Texas, which is huge. They are talking, it's gonna have like water features, we can go kayaking. I mean, from a girl who grew up on the East Coast with a bunch of nature, this is pretty exciting. This is probably the one project that I am most excited about because just getting outside here in the DFW area, there's not a whole lot to do. I mean, Dallas has White Rock Lake, but here in the suburbs, we don't got a lot of that. So the fact that this is going to run from the tollway all the way to Lake Louisville, feature trails for walking, biking, and then you also have access to water where you can actually use it and kayak on it is so exciting. So phase one is called the Civic Room, and it's supposed to be finished in 2027. It will feature an amphitheater, an orchard, a 3-acre pond, and the coolest part, this will be the first water in Frisco's park system activated for recreation, meaning we can actually get on the water. Very few bodies of water around here we can play on and swim in and that kind of thing. So this will be the first of its kind, and I am thrilled about this. So this is a legacy project for Frisco. It's gonna provide an incredible quality of life for residents and give the city a central gathering space, unlike anything else we've seen in North Texas, truly. And the last one is for you sports fans out there. So Toyota Stadium is getting a $182 million glow up. And we are not just talking about plastic surgery. We are talking from the indoors to the outdoors. This whole stadium is getting a huge facelift. Starting in 2025, the stadium is undergoing renovations that will add a visually distinctive roof structure to provide shade for the majority of the seats, which if you've ever been to a summer game in Texas, you know that is a game changer. So they are also adding new suite levels, modern club spaces, and what will be the largest video board in MLS for a soccer-specific venue. So the entire renovated stadium is slated to reopen in 2028. Frisco is not just growing, Frisco is evolving into this huge metropolis just north of Dallas. So if you are thinking about moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth area or investing in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Frisco is definitely one to keep your eye on and definitely one to center your investment thinking on. I mean, this city is growing, it's morphing into this huge metropolis that is going to attract talent from all over the globe, as it already does. So Frisco is definitely one you want to watch and definitely one you might want to invest in as well. And if you love the idea of Frisco, but maybe you want to live a little bit further away from all of the jazz, then reach out to me. I'd love to tell you about some areas that are close to Frisco, but not too close to where you can really feel like you've got that suburban living. So my contact information is below. If you made it to the end of this video, please give me a like, give me a comment about what you thought about this and which project you are most excited for. I will see you guys on the next video.